Hello, friends! Today we're singing Plant a Tiny Seed. We'll learn how a tiny seed grows into a plant with water, sun, and care. Get your hands ready to dig, drop, pat, and stretch tall.
A tiny seed, so small and brown. We dig and plant it in the ground. Sun and water every day. Make it grow, 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 hooray! In the sunny garden bright, we find a spot with all our might. Sunlight will help the seed to grow. In this place we love to go. Dig, 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 a hole so wide. With our hands we dig inside. Get it ready for the seed. Scooping dirt is what we need. A tiny seed, so small and brown. We dig and plant it in the ground. Sun and water every day. Make it grow, 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 hooray! Take the tiny seed so small. Drop it gently, let it fall into the hole we made with care. Now it's time to do our share. Pat, 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 the dirt down flat. Cover the seed like a hat. Gently press it all around, so the seed stays safe and sound. A tiny seed, so small and brown. We dig and plant it in the ground. Sun and water every day. Make it grow, 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 hooray! Give the seed some water now. Let's do it, how? We water slow, helping our little plant to grow. The sun shines down with warmth and light, making sure our plant grows right. Sun gives energy to grow. From a seed, look at it go. A tiny seed, so small and brown. We dig and plant it in the ground. Sun and water every day. Make it grow, 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 hooray! Pop a sprout pops up so green from the soil where it has been. Water and sun have done their part. Now our plant has a good start. Stretch up tall like plants do. Reach for the sun in the blue. From a seed with water and sun, we did it, now the job is done. A tiny seed, so small